you freezing?
No.
You look like you're freezing. Okay, back over.
Oh my God. No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, right there. Got it.
Wait till the airplane goes away.
Hey, what's happening, guys? I'm Nick.
I'm Evan.
Okay, we gotta do that over again. The timing. Hey, what's happening, guys? I'm Nick.
I'm Evan.
And we're the guys behind the Classic Nation YouTube channel. Now, our channel is all about classic cars. We feature our own rides, project rides, an embarrassingly large amount of project rides. We like feature rides of our viewers. We also do some tech articles.
When you're doing the top, you keep saying tech articles.
Yeah, okay.
There's no articles on YouTube.
Yeah.
Tech videos.
Yeah, okay.
How-to videos.
Okay, good. Some how-tos, some things like that. Basically anything classic car related that we think is interesting. Now, of that embarrassingly large amount of featured rides, some of the stuff we have going on is what?
Yeah, 67 Mustang Fastback project. You've seen a few videos on the playlist already. We've got more coming to you. We've got videos on this 67 coupe of mine. I've also got a 53 Chevrolet LS powered farm pickup truck. Pretty cool.
Yep. I've got my 65 Impala SS with an LS swap that you guys have seen quite a bit of. I've got a 66 Impala SS convertible that I've shown quite a few times. 47 Chevy Fleetline that I'm about to be doing a ton of custom suspension work to.
My 67 Fastback, should I be looking at you and then back to there? And our dad's got a bunch of cool cars.
Yeah.
62 Impala convertible barn find SS. He's got a 50 Fleetline. He's also got a 72 Corvette, and we occasionally feature videos about those cars also.
Ready?
Yep.
Don't stand like a soldier. Don't be an idiot. So if that's what you're into, if you're interested in the classic car stuff, you like the projects we have going, you want to stay tuned, the easiest way is click that subscribe button and then click the little bell right next to it that lets YouTube know that you want to be notified when we post a new video, which again is only once a week. Like and subscribe. Say it emphatically. Say, if you like what you saw, click like and subscribe and come back for more videos.
Okay.
Go.
So did you like that? Did you like what you saw? If you did, click on subscribe and you'll go right to it.
Yeah, and if you've got a car that you want to have featured on the Classic Nation channel, you can get a hold of us by sending an email to classicnation@gmail.com or dive in and respond to any of the comments below on any of our videos. Again, we're really active across the socials. We've got a large Facebook page and a Facebook group.
Yep.
So again, you can chat us up on any of those platforms and we'd be happy to dive in and engage with you.
God, I love that sound. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We hope to see you in the next one.
Good.
Yeah.
If you like that, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and you can get more. You'll get more of them.